Prepositions of place are essential for describing where things are located. There are a few basic prepositions we all need to know, and this video will help you learn them. So, this is Jerry. Jerry is on the box. Now, Jerry is in the box. Now, he's on the box. Easy, right? If Jerry moves here, he is now under the box or below the box. And the box is over Jerry or above Jerry. The difference between on and over is contact. If there's contact between the two objects, we usually say on. If there's no contact, we usually say over or above. So, now Jerry is on the box, and now he is over or above the box. If we have two boxes and Jerry is in the middle, we can say that Jerry is between the boxes. If there are various boxes and Jerry is somewhere in the middle, we can say that he is among the boxes. Among and between mean slightly different things. Between is when something is located in the middle of two things, whereas among is more general and it means located somewhere in a group of things. So, in this situation, you could say Jerry is among the boxes, or you could say he is between the two red boxes. Here, Jerry is in front of the box, and the box is behind Jerry. Remember to use the preposition of when saying in front of. If Jerry moves here, he is next to the box, or beside the box. We use next to or beside when things are close to each other or connected to each other. For example, France is beside Spain, and Canada is next to the United States. Finally, we have around and through. The box is moving around Jerry. Now the box is moving through Jerry. And that's all for our basic prepositions of place. If you want to learn the prepositions of place for transport or for locations, then check out our other video on prepositions.